Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually, yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So, God knows ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down.
Anak day. Duha. Ibaw tulo.
Da. Nakita mo ba yung post? I said, I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like, this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah. I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there.
Day Ellen, ikaw na ang pulutan diri.
Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung si bitch. Bitch daw siya, diba? So, kung bitch siya, mas bitch ako. Taro nga og basa or taro nga og recall kung magimaritas naman nang kakailangan pa jud day spoon feed. Review balik kung gusto jud ka makibaw. Hell no! If I knew about this before we got married, no! Hell no! No? If you want it, take it. I should have said this before, but I found out just recently. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. And rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I can finally breathe. And by morning, gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. With JL Dai, wala talaga akong masabi. I have nothing but good things to say about him. You know, I mean, we had our differences in the past, but I respect him because he is a very good provider. He is honest. And he is a very present father. Like, take note, nung naghiwalay kami ni JL, that was before Elias turned 1 year old. Present siya. So, yun. About the Tia and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about itong billionaire. Nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? If we're gonna talk about billionaire kana vibes ka to si J. Aldamas, nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time, and he said none of it was true. Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated, and kailangan naman palayasin niya pag dito, nandito yung anak niya sa akin, di ba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon, and I can't wait to move out. No, I did not confront him about this. He just found out here. I'm sure if he saw this, he found out here. Never talked to him about it. You gotta be kidding me. I think the screenshots are enough. And if he still lies about it, oh my God, ginaslight na nga ako. And don't tell me he's gonna gaslight the whole world. The screenshots are there, the receipts are there. Please. Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice. Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago. But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place. Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So receive me until my place is done. And there.
What's going on?
He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go. He was playing frisbee or golf somewhere. Yeah, so important, right? Yeah, so there. He was sent an invite, and just 2 of his family went. His sister and his nephew. That's it. He had a choice. We all have a choice. No one put a gun in his head and told him not to go. Yeah.